Welcome to our journey through the 8 loudest forests on Earth, where Mother Nature's melody is truly unstoppable. From the humming hues of the Amazon to the echoing echoes of Borneo's rainforests, we will traverse the globe to bring to life nature's captivating chorus. We invite you on an auditory ecstasy, filled with birdsong, roars of waterfalls, and the stirring symphony of buzzing life. Strap in. Open your ears and prepare for a wild symphony because we're about to dive into the intriguing cacophony of our planet's most vibrant woodland realms. So, let's turn up the volume and explore the unmistakable sounds of the world's most vociferous ecosystems. 1. Introduction to the Symphony of Nature. Imagine walking into a forest where nature's orchestra is in full swing. These forests are far from quiet retreats. They're bustling hubs of sound and life. The chorus ranges from the songs of birds at dawn to the nocturnal whispers of insects and mammals. In each of these sonic corridors, every chirp, hoop, and rustle forms a part of a larger symphony. Our journey will take you through 8 of these loudest forests to uncover what makes each soundscape unique and enthralling. 2. The Amazon Rainforest. Brazil. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth, and it thrives with an incredible array of sounds. Stretching across 5.5 million square kilometers, this immense forest is teeming with life, including 40,000 plant species and many reptiles. Each day begins with an explosive dawn chorus, filled with the vocalizations of colorful birds like the scarlet macaw and toucan. But sound in the Amazon is not confined to the daytime. Frogs, insects, and mammals make a cacophony that often rivals the loudness of bustling city streets, with sound levels sometimes reaching 70 decibels or more. 3. Daintree Rainforest. Australia. The Daintree Rainforest in Queensland is not just a visual wonder, it's a feast for the ears too. Dating back 180 million years, this ancient forest bursts with the calls of over 430 bird species, including the notable Australian bustard and southern cassowary. A unique feature is its high humidity, which acts like nature's amplifier, enriching the forest's sound. For many, the experience of these sounds is calming and rejuvenating, making the Daintree a haven for both wildlife enthusiasts and wellness seekers. 4. Borneo's rainforests. Indonesia. Borneo, one of the planet's most biodiverse regions, sees its soundscapes ebb and flow with the temperature and time of day. Its dense forests echo with the distinctive cries of the Bornean orangutan and gibbons. Here, even the humming of insects contributes to a rich, auditory tapestry. Research indicates that areas untouched by human activity boast more complex sounds. The resonances often peak around dawn and dusk, coinciding with the heightened activity of the forest's many inhabitants. 5. Congaree National Park, USA. Congaree National Park is a paradise of sounds nestled in southeastern USA. The distinct noises of this old-growth hardwood forest are a delight for acoustic adventurers. The forest hums with the sounds of birds like the prothonotary warbler, whose unique song and bright yellow feathers capture attention. During certain seasons, the forest becomes an ever-evolving sonic landscape, offering intricate tapestries of sounds that vary with the seasons and mimic the rhythms of life. 6. Bieszczada National Park, Poland. In Bieszczada National Park, you'll find one of Europe's untouched natural theaters of sound. The symphony here is conducted by native birds, complemented by the rustling cover of forest leaves. Set within centuries-old trees, the park resonates with raw and primitive sounds. Protected from urban intrusion, the park maintains a pure soundscape that feels like a step back in time. Every whisper of wind and distant call of an owl transports listeners closer to nature's authentic self. 7. Hoh Rainforest, Olympic National Park, USA. Characterized by its misty floods, the Hoh Rainforest is as much an auditory experience as it is visual. Enveloping visitors in fog and sound, more than 300 bird species make their presence known. The deep roars of Roosevelt elk stand out amid the drips of evergreen leaves. The nature-saturated acoustics here act as a stress reliever, echoing whatever emotional balm one might need. Scientists continue to explore how such enveloping sound environments help to rejuvenate mind and spirit. 8. Taiga Forests, Siberia, Russia. These sprawling taiga forests offer a distinct type of vibrancy, shaped by the stories of adaptability and resilience. Animals like the Siberian tiger and wolves lend their haunting sounds to the forest's repertoire. As the frost melts, sounds intensify with summer's warmth. Here, animal calls, like the piercing croaks of frogs, enrich the narrative, enhancing our understanding of these ecosystems. 9. Manu National Park, Peru. Nestled in Peru, Manu National Park is an oasis of sound in the Amazon. Spanning 1.5 million hectares, it boasts global recognition for its astonishing biodiversity. The cries of howler monkeys pierce the air, forming vital layers of its soundscape. Studies here reveal that the variety of animals' calls serves as a health check for the ecosystem. The dawn chorus in Manu is nothing short of spectacular, with overlapping frog calls and bird songs painting a portrait of life and richness. 10. Conclusion. The importance of listening. The loudest forests are vibrant ecosystems where sound plays a critical role in communication and survival. As human activities encroach on these soundscapes, the preservation of these acoustic environments becomes important. Listening to nature's chorus is a pathway to a deeper appreciation for biodiversity.